I'm logged into my new ASUS RT AX3000. It's a Wi-Fi 6. It's, I think, a year-old model, but it's pretty nice. I replaced a ASUS Wi-Fi 4, I think is N66U or something like that. Really old, 2013, 2014 model. Since I put in this AX3000, the log file is thousands every day for the last 2 weeks. I was coming in and clearing them out, trying to figure it out, making some changes. So I got everything back to where it was, and this morning I kind of figured out that it's only 5 gigahertz logs, because it says Ethernet 6 on every log. I made one change in the wireless settings, and I'm going to go in there right now. Let me pause this and get in there. Okay, all the way to the bottom in the wireless settings under 5 gigahertz. The enable 160 hertz by default was checked off. I don't have Wi-Fi 6. I don't have anything with 160 megahertz bandwidth. This is under channel bandwidth. So all I did was undo that selected thing, boink, boink, and I applied it. And now we're, see, the modem's been up for 9 days. I had to redo some stuff. No logs, and it's 2 hours and 25 minutes. These Ethernet 6 logs for every MAC address out there, because I validated what it was that way, were pouring out on every device like it was associate, successful, associate, failed, associate, success, failed, constantly. Make that one change and see what happens to your logs. So I'll do an update if things change, but that's where it sits right now.